There goes Maria. There's our bull Basil. There's Camilla. Within the first hour, I was hooked. I was sitting on one of these, shaping spindles, and I was just like, that's it. I found what I want. I've been looking for the kind of furniture making that I want to do for the rest of my life. My passion is just chairs. I was just like, this is it. I found it. I'm Will Burke, chairmaker. I make Windsor chairs on the far north coast. Even though Windsor chairs, they're not a set technique, but they're a technique that's been built over the last 300 years, there's still so much room for expression. So the techniques has built this new world for me to design and make chairs. People ask me, do you want to make anything else? Do you want to make, I don't know, tables? Nah, just chairs. I'm just that weird chair guy. So this thing's called Travisher, also made by hand from a passionate maker. The beauty of all this is like you don't need much. Like obviously I've got a few things, but that's only because I'm kind of doing it as a business. If you just want to make one, you pretty much only need a shave horse. Maybe a bench will help. And then it's all just hand tools. There is always a hunt for wood, and most woodworkers always have too much wood. I prefer to get it directly from a tree lopper, especially for all the spindles and the steam bent parts. It fully becomes an addiction. I might even drill some of these. I get actually inspiration from pretty much everything. A lot through nature, just shapes in nature. The seat of that chair was based off baby blue gum leaf. You build a bit of a connection with all of them here. And it's, even though it's hard to part, it's also super rewarding. I have no idea what life this chair is going to have, but I know it's going to last at least 100 years. In the chair making tradition, it's become more and more like almost, not an obligation, but necessary that like this is to be passed on. There's no secrets. We need to share this knowledge, otherwise we're going to lose it.